Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews on the market today. In this video, we're talking about the best paper plates and cups, the Uniecocus Compostable Paper Plate Set. If you're looking for an eco-friendly, durable, and high-quality disposable dinnerware set, then this is the product for you. First, let's talk about what makes this set stand out. The Uniecocus Compostable Paper Plate Set includes 300 pieces, which is enough to serve up to 50 people. It features 9-inch dinner plates, 7-inch dessert plates, 12 ounces paper cups, and matching cutlery, knives, forks, and spoons. Whether you're hosting a party, a wedding, or just a casual family gathering, this set covers all your needs with style and sustainability. What's more impressive is that these plates and utensils are made from sugarcane fibers and bamboo. These are 100% biodegradable and compostable materials, meaning they break down naturally without leaving harmful waste behind. No trees are used in the production, so you can feel good knowing that this set is eco-friendly. Plus, it's BPA-free and gluten-free, so it's safe for you and your guests. If you're wondering about the strength of these plates, don't worry. The Uniecocus paper plates are soak-proof and leak-resistant, which makes them perfect for hot or cold foods. Whether you're serving a hearty soup or a juicy barbecue, these plates hold up without bending or sagging. They're also microwave and freezer safe, giving you the convenience of reheating leftovers or storing your food. Another fantastic feature of this set is its design. The brown color gives it a natural, rustic look that works for any occasion, from birthdays and picnics to holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas. The sturdy construction ensures that the utensils can handle heavier foods, so you don't have to worry about them snapping or bending during your meal. Cleaning up after your event is a breeze, thanks to the disposable nature of these plates and utensils. After the party is over, you can simply compost them in your backyard and they will naturally break down, turning into fertilizer for your garden. No need to deal with washing a mountain of dishes. So, if you want an easy, environmentally friendly option for your next big event, the Uniecocus Compostable Paper Plate Set is the perfect choice. With its strong, reliable, and eco-conscious design, it allows you to enjoy your meal while taking care of the planet. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tips on the best products out there.